Hi everyone, welcome back to Code Step by Step. My name is Anil and in this Vue.js 3 video tutorial, we will learn that how we can display a list from API data. In last video, we fetched the data with get API, but this is not a proper list. Here you can see that if I am talking about the code, you can see that we just take a p tag and apply a for loop with it, right? And just manage some spaces and all, but this is not a proper list. So in this video, we will learn that how we can make a list. For that we have to apply the 3 points. First of all, we will use this for loop within that list. We will show the image and apply some style also. And before starting with this video, I want to share some information with you. If you are looking to purchase domain name or hosting, then you can get it with the Domain Racer and you will get the multiple benefits. Here you can see that you will get the 60% off on SSD hosting. You will get reseller hosting here also, and you can get any kind of domain like .com, .in, .xyz, org, info, everything you will get here. And one more thing, and which is very interesting, if you are not familiar with the code or you don't want to make a website with the code, then you can use their tool. There is a free of cost website builder tool that can help you to make website without any coding, right? So go for Domain Racer and grab these benefits. So now let's back to our video. First of all, I am just going to remove the old code, not which is the API call, just code which is showing the list here, right? So let me just remove it and see guys, we have different approach. We can use table here, we can also use CSS flags, we can use ULLI, we can use bootstrap list and all, but there is a lots of way, but we will use here which is most used way, which is ULLI, right? So now let's see. First of all, I am just going to change this text and putting here users data, and now let me use a UL here. Let me close it, and I am putting a class also here, which is, let's say, item, or you can use any name to this class. We will use it for style, right? After that, I am applying here for loop. So for that we have to use for v, that means u, for, and we can take item in list. And what is the list here? This is the data property, and we also have to apply a key. So just simply put here key, and it can be item.id, right? And now I am taking a li here, li, that means li, not li, and just simply put here item dot any key like id, name, email, whatever you want. So here you can see that we have a very simple list. So we can also add some other li with the keys like email. We have another one which is first name, and there is a lots of other also. For if you want to check all of these, you can check here. Let me just open the console, right? And here you can see that we have the avatar. We will show the image also with the help of avatar, email, first name, id, last name, right? So we are using id, first name, and email, but till now this is not a proper you can say list, because this is not in a proper readable form, right? So how we can make it in a readable form? For that we can add some style here. So simply put here style tag, close it, and now simply take here item, and let me take here dot item. We need that, and we also need dot item li, and we can also add style directly here, but I just want to show you applying on a real time. That's why I will apply with the dev tool, right? So just use here dot li and just apply here display. We can use here inline block here, and we can apply border. Let's say border is 1 pixel, solid, we can apply the width, let's say 180 pixel. You can apply the text alignment, it can be center, right? We can apply some padding also, like padding 5 pixel, right? So this is now looking much better list. So let's just put here this style here. So now what we can do here, we can also make we can also apply here a one more list for image. So let me close it and let's take here a list, image. And as we know, image must have a scr, and we can just simply take a double quotes colon, so that it can be work like a proper dynamic URL. Otherwise, if we are not using that one, it will be considered as a string, right? So item dot avatar, here you can, I already shown you from where we can get the path, right? So we can use that one also, dot avatar. So now let's see how it's actually looking. This is not looking good actually. You can see that the image width is really big, and this is not actually in the proper ratio also, right? So what we can do here, we can also take again dot item image, and let's apply the width around 50 pixel or something, right? And let's see, now this is much better from last one, but still not fine. So now what you can do here, just simply put here display flex, and it will automatically adjust the width and height of all lists, right? So with that, we can show a proper list. If you still have any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video.